Oh, okay, we're recording. Little flash video here. Mesh grow bags, stitch shifter, Bruce, Batman, whatever. Got this neat little attachment for my weed eater. Got an echo. So here comes my neighbor. This guy's so cool. This guy's awesome. Drives like 50 miles an hour down my road. But anyways, got this neat little Sling-blade attachment for my weed eater here. So I got this nasty old avocado tree grown kind of wild. I should probably go get my tripod to try to set this up. I'm going to try to set this up on something so it won't fall down very haphazardly. Here, I'll just put it between these tomato branch. Love the smell of tomatoes. It's probably going to fall before I finish. Let me get some of the leaves out of the way. Alright, so we're going to try to do this quick here.
Do not do this in bare feet. Well, that's about it.
Slingblade.